As a young girl growing up, going to school, me did have my book of love verse, and other young ladies had their book with them love verse. First, you would see the love verse book. Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet, but not as sweet as you. But my favorite love verse was, my love for you will break a bulldog's chain. That time we are young people, you know, man. We say we in love. We don't know nothing about where them picnic nowadays are galangins with. But we have we book with the love verse. You ever hear when a Jamaican man a lyrics a woman? Girl, your skin smooth. Your beard in a supplement. You're the ackee in a me saltfish. You're sweet like mango in a summertime. You're the milk in a me carrot juice. Me would have take care of you, you know. So later me can squeeze you. Me can squeeze you across the fence. Come talk to you. No, my parents will beat me. My mother say when me see man, me fi run. And me can't left the yard, you know. Can't left out of the yard, because me a the only girl pick me in the yard, me can't left. Next thing again, you couldn't share toys. If me ever care home a dolly, and my mother see me with it, she'll walk me straight back for go give people back them dolly. I breed you want come breed for me, yeah? A nurse you want in a yard, a nurse baby. Eh? And you have them other little one you have to look after ya. Carry back. My mother never believed in buying a doll for me for no time at all. Because she said she not teach me if you go get baby. So me not supposed to have no fake baby. I feed and I change baby clothes. Because I will have it in my intention to go get pregnant and go get baby and nurse baby. But at the same time, I have to look after my sibling. Me know how to change nappy for that tender age. Know how to feed baby, boil the baby porridge, wash the baby clothes. And yet still, she never want buy no dolly give me. When me see everybody with them dolly at Christmas time, me couldn't have one. Ring game was my thing. Baseball. Bat up and catch. Most time, young people never used to like wash plate, you know. No. My mother used to say, you think you're tanning a ton of white woman? Go and go wash the plate them. And when we clean house now, caca fart. Sweep out on that bed. And you know what me used to eat? Every morning you have to go out with the piss pot. If I know enamel chimney, or the plastic one. And night, you have to wash out the chimney, you know. And at night time, you know, you have to carry back that the piss pot there and put it under the bed. And anytime, for example, my mother would have wake up in the night and I look for the chimney and can't find the chimney. And you say chimney out the door. And one piece of hell and powder house in the house there that the night there. When she get up and want to use the chimney and the chimney out the door. Them days, there was some days. Me grew up in the age where I could recall one person who had a television. And my mother never have any fridge at the time. And send me go down at the lady go buy ice. When me go down at the lady go buy ice, you know, me I eat my dinner down at the lady, you know. Because my sister granny. So me I eat my dinner down there. And after me eat my dinner, me go up in a truck, you know, man. Me I look through the window because me I look on TV. You know me I go and go eat my nice dinner. Me drink my carrot juice or my sour sap juice. and my rice and peas because them the time them go Sunday you could have get the best, you know, man. The Sunday best. The rice and peas, and my mother used to cook food on the side, you know. And then it's short for my father dinner first. So you have a plate with the banana, you have a plate with the vegetable, and you have a plate with the rice, and you have a plate with the meat. So she share it. Put your own table and knife and fork and thing, you know, man. And in jug with the ice, with the drinks. And in glass with the ice. Well proper. Then the children then get after. Because the man are the king of the house, you know, the king of the castle, you know. So him get him food first. So sometime my father, you know, would have eat and left liquor for my mother. So she always glad for eat little and eat and left. That's the little love part, the love connection with them have. Eat and left liquor food and you give your wife it. We nowadays, we eat and put in each other mouth or take out from each other plate. But that's how them used to do it. Them time there. But in them days, I don't know if they never have enough birth control. But you see, as a man hang up in pants, a woman get pregnant. So you used to have people in the community, every year they have a picnic. Every year. So they have sometimes it looks so close like a heavy 6 month. Ask if them old people, you know, growing up never fast. You wouldn't want make them old people they see you. You see if they see you attack to one man or one boy. Oh, you don't know how for that. I miss you down there a court. And they go tell your parents. And you get a piece of whooping. Because as you talk to somebody, a quoting. Nowadays we call it courting, but at that time, courtship. At that time they say quoting. There were a lot of words that they used in the old days, and nowadays, I realize, say, my mother could read, and my mother was a very intelligent lady. Although she didn't go far in her school, very intelligent. I remember somebody asked her a question, why you don't come to Bermuda? I don't have any connection, ma'am. I don't have any connection. Then me a pick me, I don't understand what she had tried to say. And she used to say, this nose in your bone. You ever hear old people say this nose in your bone? This nose? It's called synovial fluid. It's a medical term called synovial fluid. So a lot of things they used to call certain name. When I grow older, them never end up call it the right name. Never end up call it the right name. Playing was our thing. Them picnic nowadays not have fun. Playing was our thing. When we saw a friend, play, ram from morning till evening. When you even come, you're dirty like a bus. And even if you're beard already, you know, before you go your bed, you have to go wash your foot. And when you wash your foot and jump in your bed, you have to say your prayers. And when you say your prayers and mama think you're gone in your bed, you run the attack. And when they hear you, know, if you're not mind sharp, you get beaten. Boy, them the days it is nice. I would like to be a child again. But them you picking nowadays we are grow. A big woman and big man them. Big woman and you can't talk to them. Then trace off your clothes off of you. Please like up the video. Share up the video. And as a thought come to mind, I write my script. And I'm talking from way back down to memory lane. Come on. Please help me. Please help me. Please lift me up to 1,000 subscribers. Please, I ask of you. I'm counting on you. I'm counting on all the diaspora. Not only Jamaicans. I'm here for all of you. Regardless of your color, your race, I'm here for you, regardless of the country that you're from. Come make we talk Jamaican. Come, bring your book, bring your pen, bring your pencil. Come make we talk Jamaican. Come make we walk Jamaican. Come make we sing Jamaican. Come right, yaso. Yaso, we there. Yaso, we are sit down. Right pan the stone. Thank you for watching.